Hi everyone and welcome back to another one of our YouTube videos. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to properly determine the lot size on each one of our trades. Okay, there's no way you're going to be a consistently profitable trader if you can't determine and calculate the lot size for each one of your trades, because you're going to be using a different lot size for each of your entries. And what a lot of traders tend to do, especially beginners, is they pick a random lot size and that's what they use to enter each one of their trades, but that's completely wrong, and I'm going to explain why. Now imagine that we're looking at the euro dollar here and we want to enter a trade, for example, with a stop loss of about 190 pips. Or maybe you want to enter a short trade with a bit more aggressive stop loss of 110 pips. Or maybe you're looking for more of a long-term idea and you're looking to buy at those levels with stop loss all the way down here around 200 pips. Right now, based on that, if you use the same lot size for each one of those trades, you will have a completely different risk on them. Okay, say for example you want to risk 1 or 2% of your account. Well, depending on how much of a stop loss you use, that will actually determine what percentage of your account you're actually risking. Okay, because for example you're using a one lot to enter a trade with 160 pips, that means you're gonna lose $1,600 of your account. Okay, we're looking at 40k account here. If you're using a stop loss of say 90 pips and you enter with one lot, you're gonna lose about $1,000 of your account. If you're entering a trade with 230 pips, again using one lot, then that means you're risking $2,300 or $2,500 of your account. So you can see how based on the stop loss that risk changes, right? Therefore, what we need to do first is to determine where our stop loss is going to be, and then we can calculate properly our lot size. Okay, in our money management course we talk about how to place a stop loss, why we should place a stop loss, and also how much of our account we should be risking on each trade, because this is also another very common question. Okay, so let's say we've got a few stop loss options here. If we are expecting a downside move, we could use a conservative stop loss above the key level up here, which is about 190 pips. We could use slightly more aggressive stop loss of about 115 pips, or we can use a very aggressive stop loss of about 70 pips. Alright, once we decide which one to use, then we need to find out what is the pip value, and we have to divide that by our risk. Now, to make this much more easier, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load the trading assistant on the chart, and this is an expert advisor that we've developed ourselves, and what it does is it calculates all that for you very quickly, and most importantly it does it correctly. Okay, so as you can see, it shows you how much you're going to be risking of your account depending on the trade parameters, shows you what is the pip value, it also calculates the swap for you, and it's got many different options. So let's say we want to enter a short trade with the most conservative stop loss, which is 190 pips. So up here I'm going to type in 190 pips of stop loss, and then I get to choose if I want to risk percentage of my equity, which is my current balance, or of my account balance, or it could also be a fixed amount of money of your account. Okay, so let's say we're going to be risking 2% of our account balance, and in case we're using 190 pips of stop loss, we want to risk 2% of our account, which is 41,000. In this case we're risking $820, and down here this is the lot size that we got to use for this trade if we want to take it, right? And then all we have to do is to click on the sell button, and as you can see, we've now opened a trade with the right lot size, which could be seen here, 0.43 lots, and the risk that we have on this trade is just short of $820, which is exactly 2% of our account balance. You can do the same for each one of the instruments. You just need to type in the stop loss of your trade, then you need to click sell or buy depending on what your analysis says. And as you can see, the trading assistant automatically enters trades for you. Like I said, you can use a fixed amount of your account. So let's say you want to risk $350 on each one of your trades, and then that means $4 yen specifically. In this case, you need to be using 0.40 lot size if you're going to be using 100 pips stop loss, or if you want to use, for example, a 55 pip stop loss, the same risk of your account, and that means you need to open this trade with 0.73 lots, just one click away. And as you can see, you've now entered a trade with the right lot size, and the trading assistant automatically sets your stop loss at the correct level also. And if you go onto our website, trendlineforex.com, you can go over to the expert advisor section, and what you're gonna see here is 2 expert advisors which are saving you time and helping you with your trading. One of them is the candlestick patterns that finds potential trades and entry opportunities for you automatically, and then the other one is a trading assistant which calculates the right lot size, the swap fee, and it could be used on pretty much all instruments as well. So very helpful. As you can see, calculating the lot size properly for each one of your trades is crucial for successful trading. You can't enter each one of your trades with the same lot size because this is a different risk every single time. Okay, hopefully that video helped you. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what do you think of this video, and do you think that trading assistant will be helpful to you. Also, if you want to get a discount, or if you want to get this expert advisor for free, then get in touch with us and we'll let you know what the terms and conditions are. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.